guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be planting this kitchen herbs grow kit. I did a video, I filmed a video and I will link in the iCard above, and it was my microgreens. So I did basil, garden cress, and arugula, and this time I'm going to be doing parsley, basil, and chives. It's pretty much the same thing, but last time what I forgot was to put in the bottom was this coffee filter. So when you drain it, only water will come out, no dirt. I mean, it doesn't matter, but you know, I just forgot. Sorry. So let's get into the video. So it's the same thing, concept. Comes with 3 pots, 3 packets of seeds, parsley, chives, and another basil. There's a lot of basil plants. And 3 of these little pellets that you will soak in water and they will expand. So let's start with the pellets. I'm going to move my camera back a little bit and switch everything around. So I have my lukewarm water. Hopefully you guys can see. Try to move everything around so you guys can see. And that is what they're going to soak in. And yeah, so let me grab the little pellets, stick one in there, flip it around so it's nice and coated with water, add the other one in there, flip it so it's nice and coated, and put the third one in there, and flip it over so it is nice and coated. So I will be back once those have expanded. So guys, as you can see, these little pellets have really expanded nicely and are ready to be put in the pots. So I have, make sure you guys can see, I got these 3 pots right here. And one of them has all the seeds, you know, I already showed you, parsley, sweet basil, and fine leaf chives. So let me just rearrange my setup here. Sorry, it's a little cramped. Alright, so what I forgot to do last time was put a coffee filter in the bottom of each pot, so when they drain, there won't be any soil coming out of it. So I think I'm gonna trim the coffee filter a little bit so it's a little bit smaller, kind of a little bit rounder. I'm just gonna approximately cut it around here. Doesn't need to be too precise, just a rough estimate. It's barely even round. So yeah, it's barely even round, but it will fit nicely in the bottom and won't be too big. And yeah, hopefully it should do its job nicely. So I'm just gonna cut out the rest of them. Also, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Also, I'm planning on doing a little thing in my garden of everything I have that are growing this spring. So, yeah. I'm getting some new plants and stuff. So, let me just finish cutting out the other coffee filter, and I will be... So, guys, I am back, and as you can see, there's a coffee filter circle in the bottom of each pot, just so when they drain, no soil leaks through. So I'm just going to take one of the pellets and stick it in, oopsies, I'm making a mess here, in each of the pots. So let me come around the other side just so you can see a little bit better. They're separating a little bit, but I've still got some extra dirt from the bottom. I'm going to even it out and break up some of the soil. And it's quite a mess, so I think I need to clean up here. Alright guys, so I am back, And I have put in all the soil. It's all nice and fluffy, broken up, and just I'm gonna pat it down a little bit. Not too much, so it's not a brick, but just enough. It's not everywhere. So yeah, I cleaned up my table, and I'm ready to put in the seeds. So I think first thing I'm going to do is the parsley. We can see that it's in focus. I'm just gonna cut open the top. Hopefully I don't cut any seeds or get any seeds anywhere. Open up the top. Okay, got it. Sorry, it's off camera. Opened up, so there are the seeds in there. I'm just gonna sprinkle them evenly. Oh no, it's not coming out. But dang it. Alright, now I'm just going to sprinkle them all in there, nice and even, and just pat it all down, and take this little thing and just cut up an egg carton, cut a little strip, I'm gonna trim it so it's not too long, and it will fit in there. So that is my parsley, and then once I'm done I will cover it in tin foil. So this one I'm gonna do the sweet basil. So again, take my handy dandy scissors, cut the top off, open it up. Alright, there's some nice small seeds in there. Oopsies, hopefully you can see me up right there. And sprinkle them evenly on the top of the dirt. And yep, pat it down a little bit. Take my little label that I made. And oopsies, just flew in there. Trim it so it's not too long and it will fit in there. And stick that little label. So the last but not least, I'm going to add the chives, fine leaf chives. So that is the last one for today. I am going to be getting some new seeds soon. I think some lavender and a couple other things. I think there might be a couple more microgreens, but that aren't in a kit. And I'm just gonna, once again with the chives, sprinkle them evenly on the top. Hopefully I'm not gonna kill them and doing this all wrong. And I'm going to give you guys an update once they start to grow in like a day or so. I will post another video with an update on how these guys are doing. Let me just trim that, oopsies, right there, and stick it in there. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed. Well, I only need to cover it with tin foil, so